In this video, I will show you how you can turn these ingredients into creamy, gluten-free vegan nacho cheese. To make this cheese, you're going to need a half a cup of soaked raw cashews, 2 medium-sized yellow onions, 3 garlic cloves, 3 carrots, 3 potatoes, 1 teaspoon of paprika, a half a cup of nutritional yeast, and hot sauce and salt to taste. You will also need about 2 cups of water, but we'll get to that later. I will include a list of all of these ingredients at the end of the video.
We're going to turn all of this into cheese.
We're going to start with soaking our half cup of cashews in some water. You want them submerged so that they can get soft. The softer the nuts, the smoother the cheese. The next step is chopping the veggies. This is the most time-consuming part of the recipe. Do you tear up when you cut onion? I do. A trick I use is to run the knife under water before cutting onions. Do you have a no-cry onion trick? Please share it in the comments. For the garlic, I just smash it because after cooking, it's going right into the blender. Cutting the onion, carrot, and potato down to the same size helps cut down the cooking time, and it also helps smooth the texture.
I'm going to put the paprika in the vegetables and cook them down.
While the vegetables are cooking, it is time to add the remaining ingredients to the blender, starting with a half a cup of nutritional yeast.
About a half a teaspoon of salt. Mushroom salt is next level. This is truffle salt. You can use any kind of salt you want. You can use any kind of hot sauce, as much as you like. My family likes it hot. Vegetables are soft. You can cook down and they actually smell amazing. So there's still quite a bit of liquid in them. To dump all of the vegetables and the liquid without burning my face into the blender. I'm going to take the water and the cashews. I'm going to put that in. You can use any kind of blender you like. This is the one I have. I like it. And you're going to run it for 2 minutes.
Cheese for vegans who like nachos. We like to use this cheese for a lot of things. We put it on veggies, we use it on baked potatoes, you could use it for macaroni and cheese. It's just like movie theater cheese, but it's way better for you.
Take that, Wendy.
I said I was going to list the ingredients, and here they are. If you end up using this recipe and come up with a great idea, share it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button.